Today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to set cell background patterns and color in Excel. What's up, coders? Today we're going to look at how to set background patterns and colors in Excel using the IronXL and Iron software drawing library. So before we start, I should mention that I've already installed the IronXL and Iron software drawing library using the NuGet package manager. So I'm going to just dive right into the code and see if we can play around with the background patterns and colors. All right, so here we are in our program.cs file where I've already written some code to save us a little bit of time. So we're just going to jump right in and check it out line by line. Here we're including the namespaces IronXL for the Excel manipulation, IronXL.styles, which contains the classes for styles like background and color, and we're aliasing ironsoftware.drawing.color as color for clarity. So first we create a new workbook and grab its default worksheet. Next, we set the background fill patterns for cells A1 and A2. Cells A1 will feature alternating bars, while cell A2 will display thick vertical bands. And we've also set the background colors for these same cells. A1 is set to an aquamarine color, and A2 is set to a color defined by the hex code, which is hashtag ADFF2F. So finally, we're saving the workbook with all these changes to a file name, set background pattern XLSX. Finally, we're saving the workbook with all these changes to a file named set background pattern.xlsx. So let's run this project and see what happens. All right, project ran successfully. Let's open up the Excel file and see the output. So as you can see in cell A1, we've got these beautiful alternating bars, and the background color is just this perfect aquamarine. And moving on to cell 2, you can see the thick vertical bands, and the color matches the hex code. And there you have it. We've successfully set the background patterns and colors using IronXL and the Iron software drawing library. If you found this video helpful, and we hope you did, give us a little bit of love. And also, if you are really wishing to try out the software and experience the power firsthand, check it out. We have a trial subscription down below, and you're going to love it.